I want to rest.
What's up, young chefs? Are you hungry? Cause I am. So let's get to cooking. You're watching this food at home, and understanding we are going to be showing you young chefs how to cook easy stuff like this hamburger helper. But first, let's go over some safety rules. Always cook with adult supervision. I'm a teenager, so there's always got to be a dog around just in case. And behind the cameras, my grandpa's helping me. Before we get started reading instructions, leave a like and subscribe and comment down below if you like hamburger helper. Because I know I sure don't, so I'm just doing it to help my family and a quick note before I start reading this. I never cooked it before, so it should be interesting. So we're gonna go over what you need, and that's you need ground beef, and then you need one of these measuring cups because you're gonna have to pour water and milk, and you need milk. So let's go to the stove. Yep. Put the stove on to medium high, which is like 5. And then let's cut this freaking beef open and get it to cooking.
Started out with half and I flipped it in a double. Started out with half and I flipped. Said I'm again, we gotta go. Take one, then I dash away from pole. Yeah, snakes around my grass, they want my dough.
Make sure you turn the stove off.
No, you don't gotta turn it.
Huh?
You don't gotta turn it. So, okay, now I'm gonna drain it. I give it a little shake. Okay. Get that in there. Get all that meat in there. Move it back to the stove.
We didn't get any footage of adding the ingredients, but this is what you would add: the cheese packet, the water, and the milk. There's the cap.
Oh crap.
And that is why you have adult supervision around.
Started out with half and I flipped it in a double. Started out with half and I flipped.
Alright, there goes the timer. Let me turn it off. Alright, there we go. Let's open it and see how it looks. Also, you need to turn off the stove because you don't want it to keep going. Stir it around. This is really nasty looking, so disgusting. You think it's done, Grandpa?
I don't know. Let me get a little spoon.
Cause I don't want to taste that. It's disgusting.
Watch, you gotta check the shells.
Oh Just
Oh yeah. Wow. Soft shell, so go ahead and take it off the heat.
Chef always eats what he prepares. I don't want to eat it though. I don't want to eat it though. So now let's plate it up. Give it a taste test. I'm not gonna be tasting it. I'm gonna have my grandpa taste it. All right, let's serve this food.
That's good.
Well, you have it there. That's the end of the video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And I'll see you in the next video. And now I'm gonna go eat. Peace.
Started out with half and I flipped it.
Now I'm gonna go eat. What you say? No.
I'm not recording.
Oh my God.
But another.
That's a wrap.
I want the rest.